Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Sephora Playbox unboxing. So if you want to see that, stick around. Alright, so this is going to be like the first time I'm really like unboxing my Sephora Playbox on camera. I've just had it for a while, like at least half a year. So this is what it looks like when you get it. It's a Sephora Playbox and it looks like, you know, the Sephora store with the black and white. On the inside, what it looks like, it says show off and share using hashtag Sephora Play. And then the inside looks like this. It comes with like a little flyer saying everything that's in it. And every month it comes with a little 50 beauty insider points. So like whenever you make a purchase at Sephora throughout the month, you can use this and you get 50 extra points towards your account, which I really like. I don't really use it every single month, but when I do purchase something, it comes in handy. This is like the little, you know, beginning to spring box. It says Beauty and Bloom. Looks really cute and pretty. Kind of just says like a little bit about everything. And then on the back, it kind of just tells you about the products, how to use them, and then kind of why you got it in the box. And so I think it's really cute. I really love these little flyers that they get. I feel like it's very thoughtful. It's really cute. I love the illustrations. Look at that. Alright, so then underneath that it comes in this little pouch. Alright, so the first product that I got is the Way Hair Care Wave Spray Ondulation. Looks like this. So pretty much you're gonna get like effortless wavy hair with this. I like that we're getting wave products in the box. That's actually the first time since having the box that we've actually gotten a wave product. And then the next product I have is the Cicapair Derma Green Solution Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment. So it looks like it's supposed to neutralize redness, protect the skin, improve skin appearance, be a vibrant sunscreen. So it looks like this little thing is a sunscreen. So that's actually pretty good right now because it is getting hotter. The sun is getting brighter. I'm sorry that I look a mess. I just got home. It's 2 a.m. Yeah, so I got a replica perfume. It looks like this. It says originally music festival with stuck 1969 patchouli and fresh bud female and male fragrance. So it's a unisex fragrance. I really like that. Let me see how this smells actually. It actually smells more manly, but I can see why it says unisex because it kind of has like a little feminine touch, but it's still kind of spicy enough for men to wear. Alright, and so the next product that I got is this little Shiseido Ultimate Sun Protection Lotion. And so it's just a little SPF that looks like this, and it has like a little directions on the back, which is, you know, good to use. But pretty much you can just lather this on your face and it's 50. To be honest, I don't buy sunscreen, so it's actually gonna be pretty good to try out. A little bougie, if you ask me. Looks like the next product that I got is this Sephora Lashcraft mascara, and I've actually have gotten this before in a box before a few months ago, and I have yet to use it. But you know, it's always good to have mascara on backhand because, you know, I go through it so quickly. I'm really frequent to change it out every 3 to 4 months depending on how like goopy and nasty my mascaras get. But that's actually that's the only thing I really like about the Sephora Playbox. They're really good about putting skincare and like makeup in here. And so the last product that we have is the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment. It looks like in the shade American Woman. Alright. I love that we really get like a lot of NARS products and Bite Beauty stuff in the box. So this is what it looks like. It's really cute. It looks like a nude color actually. Wow, this is tiny, guys. It's kind of like a pinky red tone-ish. I'm not sure if that's a nude. I really can't tell. I actually really can't wait to try all of this. And that's pretty much everything that I got in my Sephora Playbox. If you liked the video and if you liked me, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.